Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Booking.com. Whether you're updating your look or just want a fresh profile image, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Booking.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your email address and password in the fields provided. After filling in your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your profile settings. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Account, then click on Profile. Depending on your interface, you might see Profile as a direct option, so just click that if it appears. Once you're in the Profile section, you'll see your current profile photo displayed. To change it, simply click on the photo area itself, or look for a camera icon overlay. This action will prompt the system to allow you to upload a new image. Next, you'll see an option to upload a new photo. Click on Upload or choose File, which will open your computer's file picker. This lets you browse through the folders on your device to find the image you want to use. Navigate through your files and select the photo you'd like to set as your new profile picture. Once you've found it, click Open to confirm your selection. The file will then be uploaded to Booking.com. In some cases, you might be prompted with a cropping or adjustment interface. If this appears, take a moment to crop or reposition your photo to get it just right. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save or Apply to finalize the adjustments. After that, make sure to save your changes by clicking Save or Update Profile if there's a confirmation button present. This ensures your new profile picture is officially set. Finally, refresh the page or navigate back to your profile section to verify that your new photo is displaying correctly. You should see your updated image reflected across your Booking.com account. Thanks for watching.